Hi everyone, I'm Chris from V-SYS Tech. I'd like to introduce our latest motorcycle DVR M2A Wi-Fi. And here's the device. We have the main units, front camera, the rear camera, wide controller, the power module. But in this video, I will use this power taster cable to show you how to operate the device. And let's connect it to power bank. The device will start to record automatically because I already inserted the memory card, and now you can see it's recording. And here's the Wi-Fi icon. Maybe it's not very clear in the video, but there's a symbol here, Wi-Fi symbol. And short press the middle button to pause recording to enter the standby mode, and long press this button to enter the menu interface. This is the video mode, and this is playback mode. And press it, you can see F means front camera. Press up and down button to select the video file, and choose any one of them to play back. Okay. And long press this button to go back to the main menu interface and select this certain icon. We enter the menu. This is the video mode. You can set up the resolutions here. Press the middle button to enter the video mode. You can choose 1080p, 720p, and 720p. The difference is the frame rate. 1080p 30 frames per second, and we have 720p 60 frames per second. And press OK. Choose video clip time. You can set up off or 1, 2, 3, 5 minutes. We choose 3 minutes. The line mic. I would like to tell you is that there's a microphone built in the main unit, and the customer installed the main unit under the motorcycle seat, which means the DVR will record your engine voice. But if someone needs to record what they talk, and we have another solution. We can build in a microphone into this wide controller, which fix over your handlebar. So you can record your voice here, and you can hear what you say in the video clip. So this is a solution for sound record. And this is the rear camera rotation. This is a very special design because we have another IR night vision camera, so we need this special design, but no need to use it when you purchase the normal version. And next one is the sound record, on and off. It's very simple. And the beep means the button sound. When you, I just turned off because the sound is noise. Okay, and the clock settings can enter. And just need to press up and down button to change the digits, like this. It's 2018, and this today we're recording, and okay, and date format, and flick means the frequency. We can choose 50 and 60. And the LCD power save, which means the screen will turn off automatically after 1 minute or after 3 minutes. If you choose off, the screen will always on. And protector level, you can choose different level, and to just select the most suitable one according to your motorcycle and road situation. And GPS status. This is very important because someone told us that the GPS module seems don't work because there's some limitations to use the GPS module, and I will introduce it in later video. But when you connected the video, your GPS module, you can check the GPS status here. Because we didn't connect to the GPS module, so there's no information here. If the GPS module connected successfully, and you can view the information here, and just I will introduce it later. And the time zone select, because this is Beijing time, so we GMT 8. And we set up just the factory setup reset. Okay, no. Wi-Fi mode. I will introduce it later. Format the SD card. Enter. No. And the firmware version. This is the M2A Wi-Fi mode. This is the latest version made by VSYS, and also this is only VSYS who has the Wi-Fi version, and we believe that this new function will bring you something different and to let the device be more convenient. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.